Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the LED light bulb in a 2017 Forward hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you'll need: flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a shop vac. Parts you will need: 78415 LED light bulb lens kit. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Unthread the broken lens with your thumbnail or a flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Use needle nose pliers to grab the bulb and remove it from the housing. Step 4. Remove all water and debris from the housing with a shop vac. Step 5. Feel around for the LED light pins and install the new bulb by gently pressing it into the housing. Step 6. Install the LED light lens and O-ring by turning it clockwise in the housing. Step 7. Tighten the lens with the flathead screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.